This is a union job?
No, it was all back in here Oh yeah, they'll be doing it hand by hand.
Wax on, wax off. Peter Laria,
I'm sure you
wax
do.
off. Nothing? Anybody? He's gonna watch the video and punch me next week. Chuck Sherman on grinder. Chuck Sherman on grinder.
Still on?
Yeah, that's on. I had to sneak that one in. That was good.
That was good. Yeah. That helmet's so weird.
Because it changes lighting and it's adjustable. It's a nice helmet.
No, it was my hat.
Oh, yeah, that'll do it. Just trying to give my phone flash burn. It's cool. That's lit, fam. Okay, that wasn't as good as the grinder one, but it was there. Nah!
Round 1 or 2 or 4 or 7 or whatever.
39. Walk him away. No, I'm over here now. Ooh, light. There we go.
What I was doing was tearing up the edge of the paper so bad. Over the weight. Not tearing them up that way.